Hello peoples. Сәлеметсіздер ме оқушылар? How are you today? Қалдарыңыз қалай? Are you ready to start our lesson? Great. Let's start. The theme of the lesson on the farm. Open your pupils book and get ready. Learning objectives.
Look at the picture. Listen and repeat.
Cow, goat, rabbit, chicken, duck, frog.
Exercise 18, page 10, Pupils Book. Do this exercise. Firstly is cat. You search word cat.
Animals. Exercise 22, page 12. Listen and read, then complete.
Dear Mum and Dad, I'm here on Grandpa and Grandma's farm. It's great here. Grandpa has got 10 cows now. His favourite cow is Carly. Grandma has got 5 chickens. They are very funny. Grandpa and Grandma have got 4 goats too. The goats have got babies. They are very cute. Love, Daisy.
Demonstrative pronouns.
This, that, these, those,
Examples.
this computer is new. That computer is old. This computer is old. That computer is new.
This dog is small. That dog is big. This dog is big. That dog is small. These dogs are big. Those dogs are small.
This or that. Complete. For example, this is a bird.
You are clever boys and girls. Home task, new words. Feedback. Refleksия. Today's lesson is over. Goodbye, see you soon, and good luck.